Learn English through storytelling. Story: The Power of Persistence. Rohan was a diligent student, but he often felt inferior to his classmates. They spoke English with confidence, while he struggled to form simple sentences. This constant comparison made him feel insecure and hesitant. One day, his mentor gave him a valuable piece of advice. Success is not about talent, it is about perseverance. These words deeply motivated Rohan. He decided to adopt a more optimistic attitude toward learning. Instead of avoiding conversations, he started participating actively. At first, his progress was modest, and he made many mistakes. Some students even mocked him, which was quite humiliating. However, he refused to let negativity discourage him. Every night, Rohan practiced reading aloud to improve his pronunciation and fluency. He maintained a notebook to expand his vocabulary and reviewed it consistently. Slowly but steadily, his confidence began to elevate. Months later, Rohan delivered a presentation in flawless English. His transformation was truly extraordinary. The same classmates who once ignored him now admired his determination. Rohan realized that growth requires patience, discipline, and unwavering effort. True success is not immediate. It is achieved through consistent practice and belief in oneself. Moral of the story: success comes to those who practice consistently and never give up. Vocabulary with meanings: diligent, hard-working and careful; inferior, lower in quality or ability; insecure, lacking confidence; hesitant, unsure or nervous; valuable, very useful or important; perseverance, continued effort despite difficulty; optimistic, hopeful and positive; modest, small or limited; humiliating, causing embarrassment; discourage, to reduce confidence; pronunciation, way of speaking words; fluency, ability to speak smoothly; vocabulary, collection of words known; elevate, to raise or improve; extraordinary, very unusual or impressive; determination, strong will to achieve something; patience, ability to wait calmly.